एमएलए त्या गाडीतलं तुम्ही एमएलए 2 दिवसापाठीचा इन्सिडेंट झालं अंजुना.
See, we had a meeting yesterday only with the police inspector of Anjuna police station. Delilah Lubo had a meeting. I was also present, and he is being told to call all the club owners, all the restaurant owners, all the guest house owners of Anjuna, Vagator, Shapara, and in each jurisdiction, whatever owners are there, and to instruct them to tell all the staff, no matter how drunk the tourist is, do not touch them. No matter what is the situation, you can't touch them, you can't hit them. You can't hit the tourist. So just dial the police helpline number 112 or the respected PSI or whatever numbers the police are giving. They have to give them the staff and let the police come on site and diffuse the situation. You can't, as a hospitality industry, as a owner of a restaurant or a club or a guest house, we can't hit the tourist. So that will send a wrong signal across India and the world. So that is very important, not only in Sholim constituency, but it has to happen all over Goa. I will meet the CM tomorrow or today evening. He will give instructions to all the PIs. Like last year, there was a meeting in all the police stations, halls, or panchayat halls. The police inspector, DYSP, SP had come and had spoken to all the shack owners, the restaurant owners, the guest house owners, that tourists should be dealt properly. Like you can't hit them even if they are getting violent or if they are, some of them get overdrunk and try to create a ruckus. So we need to fall back and stop them from doing this, not hitting them back.
अनेक इन्सिडेंट आशिल्लो ते टुरिस्ट जे येयल्ले तेंच्यांनी फॉरेनरांक हॅरेस करीत फोटो मारपा खातीर.
That is wrong. That tourism police which are on the beach should take strict action on that. Tourists cannot be harassed, tourists cannot be touched, especially
डोमेस्टिक टुरिस्ट फॉरेनरांक
lady
हॅरेस
tourist, a woman who is on the beach, who are with their friends, should not be touched by any male tourist. So they should be, action should be taken on them. Where there is Goa police on the beach, IRB are also on the beach, they should take strict action on any such incident which happens. Warning signs should be there as you are entering the beach bend, what you can do and what you cannot do. And all these things have to fall in place if we want to project Goa as one of the best tourist destination. And because this is one of the industry which is giving employment generation in the state of Goa. A lot of Indians have also come in over here to do business, but they should know that the rule of the law of the state and how to welcome the tourists and how to send them happily back.
कोस्टल पुलीस सारखे काम करता म्हणून असले तरेचे इन्सिडेंट जाता शिस्त कोस्टल
तेंका परतून तेंचो DYSP, तेंचो PI, तेंचो इन्चार्ज जो आहा SP, तेणे तेंचे कडेन परतून रिव्ह्यू मिटिंग्स घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी सांगपाची गरज आहा की ट्युरिस्टांक हॅरस बिचार करूंक जायना. हे आमी परतून उलयत आसता आनी हे जावपाची गरज आहा. हांव CM कडेन जो डिस्कशन आहा आयज सांजे नाल्यार फाल्यां हे पॉयंट्स म्हाजे आहा घेवपाक. I have seen that the media has brought it up that how in Kolwa the tourists were harassed by the male tourists, the women tourists were harassed, especially the foreigners. This should not happen. हे जावंक जायना.
बीचार पासून कार्य बी व्हरपाचो प्रसंग घडटा आनी खूब जाले ते.
आता सीझन जाता स्टार्ट जाता
See,
सिक्युरिटी
लास्ट इयर अशे प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ले आनी तेजे उपरांत चीफ मिनिस्टरान स्ट्रिक्ट वॉर्निंगूय दिल्ले that we will not hesitate to shut your business. Deputy Collector will seal your premises if you do anything wrong, especially if you hit the tourist in your premises, it will be shut. So also report police धाडटा मागीर Deputy Collector and Deputy Collector order pass करूंक शकता की that this particular establishment is wrongfully harassing or hitting the tourist, disturbing the this of the state, sending wrong message. So this should stop. So अशे strong message म्हाका दिसता chief minister दितलो. Tourist cannot be because he is the home minister. And also DGP has already message दिल्ले हा that you cannot touch. काल आम्ही already review meeting काल सकाळी घेतले हेची on one of the police station, that is Anjuna. So अशे सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी जावपाची गरज आसा. ट्युरिझम सीझन स्टार्ट जाता बिकॉज a lot of boys and also girls come from other states to work in the state of Goa. म्हणजे दुसरे स्टेटीचे लोक हिंगा कामाक येता शेकांनी, रेस्टॉरंटांनी, गेस्ट हाऊसांनी and other related business like water sports and all. So they sometimes go very their language is little wrong, and sometimes they go aggressive. They go to hit the tourist back if they say something. So tourists come to Goa just for 2 or 3 days or 1 week. They come to enjoy themselves. So we cannot just because they say something, we should not retaliate or we should not hit them back.
Okay. And my last